Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy back with another video. For today's video, we're gonna have a little twist. My sister will be cooking for us. She's gonna make Crockpot barbecue chicken. Yes guys, she's gonna whip it up in the kitchen today. If you guys want to see how she made this, her ingredients, her take on the whole thing, she did put a little twist to it, so if y'all want to see how she does it, stay tuned. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Please do so. I am waiting. If you already have, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Let's get into the video to see this crazy, to see this amazing crockpot chicken recipe. Yes, Lego mother. Alright guys, so my sister is gonna make some crockpot barbecue chicken. So right here, she got the chicken clean. Yeah, she keep the skin on. You know, I don't like skin on mine. She's using steak seasoning, paprika, red pepper, black pepper, onion powder. Yes guys, she's using everything in here, the whole kitchen sink, garlic powder, thyme, everything. You're gonna need some seasoned salt, and of course you're gonna need the barbecue sauce. So she's gonna put this together. Do your thing. Gonna chew everything in this one. I bust some first time. What is steak seasoning? Steak seasoning. I run the place. Cayenne pepper. Red pepper flakes. You heard me. The chef will do her thing. Hopefully it tastes good because she don't be cooking. You be cooking?
Don't try me.
No. So she don't want it on camera, guys. So I'm not gonna show her. But she had to do her little thing. And we're gonna make what kind of starch? Macaroni. Macaroni?
Sure.
We're probably gonna make macaroni for side. We're not gonna film that part. But I'm gonna come back to you. I'm gonna let her season this up. What chicken back then? I think so. She gotta add some chicken. Not chicken batter. What about it? The chicken. No.
Batty.
The chicken batter. If you guys know what the chicken batter is, let me know in the comments if you eat it. In Jamaica they say, "So damn chicken batter should charge so much," or whatever they were saying. So let me know down in the comments if you guys eat chicken batter, or if you know anybody when y'all they chat like they eat a whole bunch of chicken batter.
Like you.
Oh man, like me, I guess. Alright guys, so she gonna put all this seasoning in here. She made my cooking look bland because I don't use a lot of seasoning. You know, I just a little bit goes a long way. So she's gonna mix it up. Mix it up real good. You don't need see chicken batter. If you guys know what the chicken batter, that's where the bird poop. That's the chicken batter. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna let her mix it up and then come back to you. Alright, right now guys, we got the stove on 7 medium high. So she's just gonna add the chicken in here. Get it side down. You gotta spin side down so the skin can get nice and crispy. Get a nice brown color to it. What kind of pot? What is the pot name again?
Aisha curry non-stick, no oil.
Yes, you use Aisha curry non-stick. You don't need no oil for this. Remember, the favorite part, the chicken pot. You don't need no oil. But if you're not using a non-stick pan, you could add some olive oil or any type of oil you have. So just gonna brown up for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're gonna flip it over. So that looks good already. So we'll be right back. Let this cook. Alright guys, so the chicken's been cooking for about 7 minutes now. So she's just gonna flip it over and see the beauty. Yeah man, nice and brown. Nice and brown color. You see all that oil that came off the skin? That's what I'm telling you, you don't need oil for this. So, ooh, let's flip that over. Remember the temperatures on medium high, you might cut it down. Usually I'm gonna cook the other side for about 5 minutes. Not too long, so we're gonna finish it up in the crock pot. That looks so delicious. Yes, guys, I know this is a different way to make crock pot chicken, but it's all well, this is her way. Lego. Alright, so the chicken done cooked, so she's just gonna take it out.
It's brown.
Finish browning, my bad. So she's gonna rest it on this plate, let it cool down just a little bit, and then add the barbecue sauce. Guys, this is her way of doing it now. This is just how she's doing it. We're gonna let the chicken cool down. You see all this grease? All this grease from the skin. That's why I don't use skin. That's all. I don't mess around with skin. So she's just gonna finish cook up the chicken. What kind of chicken? Chicken. The chicken batu. Chicken bati. So she can eat it right now. Yeah, chicken bati. She's gonna finish cooking that up. So we're gonna let that cool. She's gonna let this cool down, and then we're gonna add the barbecue sauce. Sauced up, and then put in the crock pot. Lego. Oh yeah, let this cool down for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be right back. So we're using the same bowl that she makes the chicken with all the seasoning and flavor in there. She's just gonna make a barbecue sauce. So she's using the honey barbecue, and she's gonna mix the Canadian bear in there. So mix them up. Remember, she's gonna mix up the sauce and then add the chicken in there. Guys, this chicken did not sit for 10 minutes. She let it sit for about 5 minutes. So she just adds the Canadian beer. It's the rim.
Just make a barbecue sauce mixture.
Yes. Barbecue sauce mixture. Mix it up.
And later, if you need more barbecue sauce after you put it in the crock pot, you can definitely add more.
And so after, you just add some more if you need it. Probably some more.
I mean, just to get it started.
And she had to do her thing. First me I sit in something here. But it looked good to me. Mix that up. Add the chicken now. Alright. And the chicken look good. So that mix it around.
Like after I put it in, I think I'm just add some plain barbecue sauce on top.
Follow her over there, so. Whoop. Yeah, man. So we're gonna add the chicken in there, and we're gonna cover it up, and then, well, so she just added the chicken in here. She's just gonna add the barbecue and beer mixture in the pot. Just add it in. And right now she's cooking it on high for 2 hours. So it's already, since she already sauteed, it's already like half cooked. So for 2 hours, put that down. And then before it's finished, she's gonna add some barbecue sauce on top of it to finish it up. So there you go. Alright guys, so it's been 2 hours. We flipped it over on the other side, let it cook for an hour. And then flip it back over and let it cook for another hour. So right now what she's gonna do is add some barbecue sauce on top of it. Just a little bit. You don't want too much unless you're into, I guess she is into barbecue sauce. So add a lot of barbecue sauce to your desire. So what I gotta do now next?
I'm just cover it and let it finish cooking. And then it should be ready.
Alright, she's gonna cover it up and let it cook for another, what, 15 or 20 more minutes?
30.
About 30 more minutes, and then that's it. Simple, quick.
Barbecue chicken.
Barbecue crock-pot chicken. Lego. Guys, it is finished. There it is. Crock-pot barbecue chicken. It is so nice. Beautiful. Good job, sis. She did a good job, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Delicious. Definitely a 5-star. Lego. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and check out my other videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you already subscribed, I thank you. I appreciate you. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, I am waiting. Thank you. Alright guys, well there goes. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye. I just want to come and show y'all what I paired it up with. I paired it up with this ham stretch and stone baked. Isn't it lovely? I just heat it up on the stove. And a non-stick pan. And this is it. Big barbecue chicken. Lovely.